Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Tam manyamano nijavirya shankitam yaddhasi mukto nriharim mahasuraha punartama sajjat khadga charmani pragya vegena gata shamo mride. When Hiranyakashipu was free from the hands of Nrsimhadeva, he falsely thought that the Lord was afraid of his prowess. Therefore, after taking a little rest from the fight, he took up his sword and shield and again attacked the Lord with great force. Very interesting. बिल्ली भी सेम करती है, आपने देखा है? बिल्ली भी जब चूहे को पकड़ती है थोड़ा छोड़ देती है कुछ टाइम के लिए और फिर उसके बाद उसके मजे चलते हैं, फिर पकड़ लेती है. Same way, Nrsimhadeva also, he captured Hiranyakashipu without any effort. Actually, whatever power we may have, we are like a photon. Krishna is like the sun. There is just no comparison. Prabhupada says it is like comparing potent and the impotent. Shri Radha Govinda ki. Krishna is potent, full of all the potencies. And whatever we have, we are borrowing from Krishna. So this is foolish, even an attempt. Even this attempt doesn't have any sense of Hiranyakashipu. But he is feeling so much angry. They can meditate on this anger. People also have. Prabhupada gives an example. जहाँ पे जब वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ था उस समय जर्मनी में बहुत लोग मरे थे, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर पर्टिकुलरली. एंड जो घर में बीवियाँ थी, बहनें थी, बेटियाँ थी, माँ थी, 4, सब प्रार्थना कर रहे थे, ठीक है, मेरा भाई, मेरा बेटा, मेरा पिताजी, मेरा हस्बैंड वापस आ जाए. कोई वापस नहीं आया, सब मर गए करीब करीब. दे लॉस्ट द वॉर. तो घर में वो सब लोग सब नास्तिक बन गए. भाई मैं इतना प्रार्थना किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले इसका उत्तर, वो वॉर कृष्ण ने डिक्लेयर की थी क्या है? तुम कुत्ते बिल्ली की तरह लड़ो, उसमें मरो, कृष्ण को क्यों ब्लेम कर रहे हो? अगर वो वॉर कृष्ण ने डिक्लेयर करा हो, ऑन हिज इंस्पिरेशन यू गॉन टू फाइट, then at least something you can ask. But here you whimsically act. You do so many activities and you think God will help you. This does not make any sense. It does not make any. So we cannot blame God. So people become angry. So many reasons. Generally they think God is their servant. जैसे आपका नौकर हो कोई और आपको उस काम दे नहीं करे तो गुस्सा आता है, तो सोचते हैं भगवान भी मेरा नौकर है, मेरी बड़ी बड़ी लिस्ट उसको फॉलो करने का है, मेरे को ये देने का है, वो देने का है. एंड इफ डजंट कम दे बिकम एंग्री एट गॉड. आप भगवान के नौकर हैं, भगवान आपका नौकर है. And then another reason why people, now just trying to understand anger of Hiranyakashipu, another reason Hiranyakashipu is becoming angry or we become angry is that God's plan is always perfect. God has a plan and that is always perfect. And there is also the plan of we. Now these two plans may not match sometimes. Our plan is generally based on our limited understanding, and we are always seeking a position of more secure position. That is our condition. But Krishna is not seeking a most secured condition. His plan is not easy to understand. It is said not only Krishna's plan, Even the plan of great acharyas is very difficult to understand. Vaishnava Kriya Mudra, that is also impossible to understand. Why sometimes an acharya act in certain way, you cannot understand. You cannot understand every activity. Particularly for a common man, he just cannot understand. Kya kar rahe hain ye log? Just like Srila Prabhupada, he said, go, do Nagar Sankirtan. But many people are, kya hai? Log to shock ho jayenge, unko kya lagega? Many people have that kind of calculations. Prabhupada said, go distribute these books. So if you try to understand, you may not be able to understand. Just like, even logically speaking, many people in spiritualists, they cannot understand why we are sitting and chanting Hare Krishna. You cannot understand. It is materially, you cannot, it's a spiritual process. Just like I said again and again, Prabhupada says, this movement is not easy to understand because it is a thoroughly spiritual movement. A materialistic man cannot understand what are they doing. Ye kya kar rahe hain? Hare Krishna, Hare, what are they doing? Therefore, people will not chant 16 rounds because they don't know what are they doing. The people will not worship the deities because they don't know what are they doing. People don't. So this is actually, so the plan of the Lord and our plan are very difficult to match sometimes. Like Arjuna had his own plan before the war. I'll go leave this battle and sit in the forest. And Krishna had the plan. Arjuna, you fight the battle. So sometimes what happens, these plans contradict. We have some plan in our life and Krishna just throws away. Correct, all of us have some plan. We'll do this, we'll do this. Krishna may just throw away the whole thing and may take you some other direction. But then you become very angry. What is God doing? But His plan is always perfect. So, jo hua अच्छा हुआ, but और अच्छा हो सकता था. Many people say whatever happened, good happened, but better could have happened. Had you surrendered to Krishna, you could have done much more. You would have, just like Prabhupada said, the amount of mercy Krishna has given to the gopis, He has not even given to Narada. He is not even given to Shiva, not even given to Brahma. So why? Jo hua, whatever happened, happened good, but gopis got more. Brahma could not get same amount of mercy. In fact, when the gopis are dancing with Krishna and Krishna, they put their hands around Krishna and Krishna put his hand around them. The gopis for the moment thought, this privilege even Lakshmi does not get. Because she is also just offering flowers at the lotus feet. Here on an equal platform we are enjoying. Even she doesn't get this platform and they become a bit proud. And then Krishna disappeared. But the point there was that the mercy they got, even Lakshmi does not get. So whatever happened, happened good, but they didn't get the same mercy. The Lakshmi, the gopis got more. So similarly, Prabhupada can give you so much mercy. Krishna can give you so much mercy. But then you first deserve, then desire. Okay? You pass your chanting without thinking of sense gratification, attentively hear. You see how nicely then whole day you can hold your mind at Krishna's lotus feet. You can do activities with proper consciousness. Sometimes what happens, we become very proud. I am doing some activities. Activity is not important. What consciousness it is done, that is more important. Sometimes I did that. What is the use? Just like I dress it Prabhupada, I dress the deities, I cook, I clean, I give lecture. So many services they're doing. What is most important is what consciousness you're doing activities, not the activity itself. True, in one sense it is good. The result of activity is going for Krishna's glorification. That way it is good for you. But then, that's not the best, no? But then when you are doing activity, when you're cleaning the temple, you're saying, my Lord, I'm your servant. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to clean your temple. It's proper consciousness. Nobody is doing this work and I have to do this work. That is another consciousness. Take it. But you don't get the result, you don't get the benefit, then karo. But who is at loss? You are at loss because you're not doing in a proper consciousness. My Lord, I'm so fortunate today. I am your dasa, I am your servant. I got this opportunity. Thank you, my Lord. So that every activity, what is important is consciousness, not the activity. Okay? But true, we are blessed here because whatever activity we do, the result has gone to Krishna. But International Society for Krishna Consciousness. We have to do all activities in proper consciousness. Now you look at now in this respect, okay, the anger part is clear. So we become angry because we cannot stand. Another reason is asuras become angry because they cannot stand the glories of the Lord. They become very angry. It is said there are 4 kind of people. Nivritatashai upigiya manam bhavaushadi shota mano abhirama. Prabhupada translate the shloka very nicely. He said there are 4 kind of people who relate to Krishna consciousness 4 ways. One person, when he hears Krishna consciousness, is in ecstasy. This person is nivritta. He has no desire to enjoy the material world. So Krishna consciousness for him, he is entitled to taste ecstasy now in Krishna consciousness. Because still our heart has hankering for material desire. Then the process of Krishna consciousness will not give you ecstasy. Rather it will act like a medicine. Suppose my heart has a hankering. I am hankering for sense gratification and I am chanting Hare Krishna. The Hare Krishna will not give you ecstasy, but will shanta, it is doing its work, but it will purify, it will act like a medicine, but not as an ecstasy. Same thing it is. The same Hare Krishna you are chanting. Therefore it is very important that whole day activities are clean, so that when the next day you chant Hare Krishna doesn't have to do the cleaning for the rest kachara that you have done previously. Previous day you had so many kama, krodha, lobha, moha, all things were stuck in your heart, and you're chanting Hare Krishna, it has to clean that up. And the danger is, if it does not clean it and it aggravates more and more, you'll fall down. Just like aapka kapada hai. Now you have to wash every day. You should wash nicely. But why you make it dirty? The washing work will be less. But you make it very dirty, and in case your washing is less, after some time the cloth is not usable. You have to throw. Just some people don't wash their clothes, just water wash and they put. After some time you have to throw that cloth, waste. Or you have to do something with it. The cloth become waste. So you have to be careful. So similarly, you're washing your heart. Prabhupada said the balance should be in Sattva Guna. You should come to the platform at least Sattva after you're chanting. At least you should see that. Because then whole day you are doing different activities. Because true, you can remember Krishna throughout the day. Nobody is stopping you from that. But sadhana is different. The quality is sadhana is different. Day is different. Sadhana means whole world is closed. Now Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And then at that time, Prabhupada said, always when the faults of others disturb you, meditate on your own fault. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada said that at that time you meditate. My God, you have seen the whole day how much dirt is still there in your cloth. You have seen. Now chant very attentively and pray to the Lord. Please, my Lord. Vidunoti suhrusatam. Krishna is sitting in the heart of everybody will clean it away as your Hari. Hari means he takes away. What he takes away? The kachara. But he comes to take away the kachara, but you don't leave. So, but the room saaf kar rahe. You're cleaning your room, somebody comes and he says, please give me the dustbin. No, I'll not give you. I want to keep it. So we choose to keep the kachara. Krishna shows to us, you want this? I want. Okay, keep. But actually Krishna is ready to take everything away, all our unwanted anartha, which need not be part of our life. Krishna is ready to take away, but we want to keep. Unwanted things we keep in our life, and it blocks our spiritual advancement. That is our misery. Okay? So always, instead of meditating on others' fault, we meditate on your own fault, particularly at the time of japa. My Lord, I know, because if you are introspective, truthful and honest to yourself, I know, my Lord, I am still not fit to be a servant. I have so many disqualifications. I am now taking shelter of your holy name. Please give me shelter. And we attentively hear the sound vibration. Okay? We are associating with the holy name. We are associating with the Lord, and we hear, submerge ourselves in that sound vibration. Hare Krishna, submerge yourself and purify yourself. And then whole day when you do activities, there is a good chance you will do in Krishna consciousness. But in case your japa is weak, your whole day activities are in sense gratification. You are doing, at the same time thinking of sense gratification, enchanted, dragged, embarrassed by sense gratification. You are doing something. ठीक है, उसका result कृष्णा के लिए जा रहा है, उतना खुश है, but you are not advancing much. And you can fall down. Any moment you can fall down, because always the sliding slope. One step, next step, third, you fall. So then you get angry. So it is said that those who are nivritas, when they hear Krishna consciousness, they are in ecstasy. Nivritatashai upagi bhavaushadi. Next stage people, it become bhavaushadi. It's a medicine. It's very nice. Very nice. This Krishna consciousness is, we know it's working. Every day we become dependent. Just like somebody is taking medicine and his fever goes away. So every day when he gets fever, immediately he takes a medicine. किसी को सिर दर्द होता है, he gets a headache, he becomes dependent, that medicine will remove the headache. So he knows, I did so many activities yesterday. Therefore, Prabhupada said best is sandwich. Prabhupada project is sandwich. We can create our own sadhana. Prabhupada project morning sadhana, evening sadhana. The day we do some activity. But anyway, for the final, we have a headache and we chant Hare Krishna. It's so relief. Sometimes it happens, what is the use? What is going to happen? Kya hoga? We will chant Hare Krishna. But no. You see, after chanting, it looks very nice. Sometimes before japa, say, kya karna hai, kar dete. We do it. But then when you chant, you feel, yeah, good. I made a good decision to chant. We never feel I made a wrong decision. Always the taste. Because if taste is not there, you can't go on. You will stop it one day. Okay? So Krishna, taste comes and Krishna is merciful, but is satisfied with your little effort. Our effort to satisfy him is very little. And Krishna said, okay, that's fine. So we get the first level is ecstasy, second level, Aushadhi. Third level is that it's nice. Just like sometimes we have some people who only come on festivals. You tell them come on Sunday, no, they're not on the platform only. Or sometimes we meet donors also. We say, that's very nice. You're doing a good work, Swamiji. They somehow appreciate. Mano Abhirama, very nice, very nice. Third level. They will not do sadhana. You tell them you come chant, they will not going to do. That is second level. When you do sadhana, it acts like Aushadhi. Third level, it's nice, good. They'll give you some donation. These people are actually large in number. It's like same vertical. As one person ecstasy will be maybe one in the whole city, very rare. Then Aushadhi, most of us are in Aushadhi, doing sadhana. The next level, Mano Abhirama, mass. A lot of people are there. Oh, very nice, you're doing good work. We appreciate that. Please come to temple. Yeah, I came. It was Janmashtami. He came last year. I will not come after that. It's not easy. You cannot push him to that platform. It takes time. So therefore, he sacrifices some money for Krishna's satisfaction. And he purifies himself. It is good. If you engage him in that way, it is good, because by sacrificing for Krishna, he becomes purified, and gradually one day he may come to the platform of sadhana. Then if you go and meet somebody, then a petrol pump owner, you tell him come to temple, he may not come. Say, please, we are doing, I know you are doing good work. Please help us. I'll help you. We'll give you some donation. He is purified. He is blessed because of that. And gradually, he is doing what he can do at that platform, but gradually being blessed and purified, he comes to the next level. One day he comes to temple, he says, why don't you chant Hare Krishna? I'll do that. He starts doing sadhana. In fact, I remember when we were in Bangalore, we used to meet people for the donation for the temple construction. Many people used to give donation, and I used to carry a bag of malas with me. So next time I used to make again a visit to their house and say, would you like to chant? Many people used to agree. Whole family used to sit, and sometime evening time I used to do. It used to be wonderful. So people do come from second stage gradually to third stage, where they start. So from third stage to second stage. Coming first stage is a real mercy of the Lord. And then, but there is one more category which I wanted to come here. They become angry. You chant Hare Krishna, kya hai? Hare Krishna, sir dard kar diya. Aise log hain. They become very angry. In fact, Prabhupada had a surprise when Bombay, the movement was launched. So they were started Harinam. And the district magistrate, who was a very big post, he said, what is this Hare Krishna nuisance? So when Prabhupada had that word, it came in newspaper somewhere. Prabhupada was furious. In India, this man says nuisance? What kind of man is he? Because Prabhupada didn't care. Prabhupada was abruptly used to cut off. Prabhupada was taking a TV interview. So somebody asks, what is this movement? Prabhupada, this movement is coming from Lord Chaitanya. So he asks, who is Lord Chaitanya? But Lord Chaitanya, he is Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is God. So the interviewer said, he is not God. Huh? Who are you to tell he is not God? He is not going to listen. He is an authority. You cannot cut him immediately. Who are you to say he is not God? Huh? Who are you? So that man was taken aback. Prabhupada is not good. Because Acharya is not going to soften things up just for public pleasure. If he changes the truth for public pleasure, then it's over. He is openly. Even Bhagavatam, first Prabhupada declares Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is God and then starts Bhagavatam. Right in the introduction, say, let us study life of Lord Chaitanya, the ideal Bhagavata who followed the Bhagavata in his own life. The Lord himself taking the role of a devotee is a Bhagavata. So nicely. So therefore, anger may be there because we are sometimes in a very low mode. So the practice of Krishna consciousness may make you angry. Okay? So Hiranyakashipu very strangely played the fourth part. We become very angry seeing his son becoming a devotee, which is unfortunate. And sometimes we see in society, Prabhupada says, Kali Yuga, be ready, you will be banned. He has predicted. Society may ban you. Already in Karnataka there is some anti-superstition law they want to make. They may make this also superstition. Quite possible. They may ban us. So, kya ye log time barbaad karte hain apna. Very dangerous society. Because more and more people go to Tamoguna, more and more these activities are not understandable for them. More and more people become materialistic. You see, in a materialistic society we live. Out of 100, even 1% doesn't appreciate. Very, kya karte ho? Time barbaad kar rahe ho. How you had an example? Somebody said no. Iske paas, he doesn't have any work. He was distributing books outside a temple. So they didn't know he's a local man. They're talking in Tulu language. He doesn't have any work. He understood what they speak. So people may feel like that. They have no work. They're simply wasting time. That people think like that. Sometimes they think, what is simply we are parasites, idle parasites in the society, and so many things. So Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada used to say, don't be disheartened. When he was leaving the world, he made this statement, don't be disheartened when people in this world are not interested. Don't be. So we do activities actually on the order of the Guru and Krishna. They are said to be done, we do it. Okay? And even though people may not take interest in the beginning, gradually, if they become fortunate, they're getting a chance to take up Krishna consciousness, and they can't even dream what we are giving. The Prabhupada says Krishna consciousness movement is a boon for the human society. It's a great benefit for the whole society. We should be convinced of this. But more we receive mercy of Guru and Krishna, more we taste Krishna consciousness, and more we feel how much people need it. Name ruchi, jive daya, go parallelly. The more we are tasting Krishna consciousness, more we feel compassion, and more we have a goodwill to give it to somebody. If we are ourselves disturbed and we can't preach, we say no use. Just like many people say, there's caste brahmanas, they say isko to samskar nahi. They don't preach. वो अपनी community में बात करते हैं. They don't go outside. They say, why don't you tell about उसको क्या? They have no samskar. They drink, they eat meat. Don't waste time. But no, a devotee doesn't feel like that, because he carries in his heart the compassion of Krishna. So Krishna is compassionate. He's saying, nobody is dear to me than he who will give this message. So even though sometimes people attack, sometimes people become angry. Correct? So many things have happened in the history. Prahlad Maharaj was attacked. Jesus Christ was attacked. So many people who try to spread the message of God was attacked. Devotee tolerates. Prabhupada said that is the quality of a devotee. He should be humble, he should be tolerant, but his determination, he should continue to spread Krishna consciousness. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna